All right, hey, my name's Paul from Yimisport Tuning. I'm at the 2018 SEMA show, and we're just taking a look at our shop car, the 2018 STi, here on display in the Seibon booth. The vehicle is pretty extensively modified. It doesn't look like that much from the outside, but we've done a lot of engine changes, and tying it all together is, of course, some electronics from our friends at AEM Electronics. Specifically, the products that we're running on this car are the AEM CD7 LG logging dash. We have an array of sensors, a CAN expander module that's allowing us to integrate some of those additional sensors into the same data stream, and allows us to monitor and data log all vital engine running parameters. And it's a really fabulous solution for us because we've got this great looking dash that integrates wonderfully with the interior, that lets us see everything at a glance at once without having to look at multiple devices, multiple gauges. I mean, let's face it, all of us only have one set of eyeballs. Looking at one thing and having all the information presented to you in a single point is really a wonderful thing. As well as then being able to download everything and not have to mesh together multiple data logs from multiple devices. Having everything tied together in a single point again makes for a really well integrated solution. We can see we have a number of different functions on this custom skin that we have put together. We have inputs that are directly taken from the stock engine management unit, such as the water temp, fuel level, boost level, RPM, vehicle speed. In this case, I believe we're actually using the GPS function of the CD7, which is great because this car is going to be, even though it's pretty stock looking inside right now, will be a street car. We'll also see some half mile and mile racing where we'll probably run different diameter wheels and tires than on the street. And now we don't have to worry about compensating for any irregularities in the readout due to a different rolling diameter because it'll just be all calculated off a GPS position. We also have the integration ability through the CAN expander module from AEM to add external sensors for stuff like oil temp, oil pressure, wideband AFR. And I can go to a second screen here, which is our data screen that we'll probably use when we're actually taking the car out on the track, and additional parameters like intercooler water temperature, intake air temperature, coolant type displayed a little bit more clearly there, and just a third screen right there, just to show the abilities. And I believe there's up to 4, perhaps 5 screens that you can program in. And so, if you want a different aesthetic or monitoring different things, this dash gives you the ability to do so.